Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume on it. So moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one headed into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $22. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 22, that does not mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 22, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from an overarching standpoint, in terms of just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there is how I'm defining the overall move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 22 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Party stopped today several times, right up around 25.50. So 25.50 will be public enemy number one moving into next week. And there's going to be a whole lot of eyeballs watching that level. So call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's a more than valid and more than rational thought to have that if the price does get a break at 25.50, that could very well in and of itself just create a whole bunch of upwards buying pressure. So like I said, I know I'll be watching that level along with, I'm sure, a lot of other traders, but we'll see what happens with it. But anyway, look at it. Fantastic movement, fantastic volume. So early next week should be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.